Although all indicators are still pointing to a seller's market, homeowners still have some uncertainty and concerns about listing their homes in today's market. Hi, this is 40-year real estate expert Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty. Let's break down the 5 concerns that sellers are feeling today when getting ready to list their homes. Number 1, economic uncertainty. Many sellers are concerned about the state of the economy and its impact on the housing market. They may be worried about job security, inflation, and other economic issues that could affect the demand for homes. Number 2, competition. Even with the low inventory, some sellers are worried about the competition that they face in selling their homes. They're concerned that their property will not stand out among the other similar properties in their neighborhood, or that they need too many repairs. Number 3, setting the right price for their home. Some sellers are worried about pricing their home right in a changing market. They're worried that the price may be too high and therefore sit on the market, or too low to not get the maximum return on their investment and leave money sitting on the table. Number 4, closing delays. Some sellers are worried that the transaction may face closing delays, with the buyer changing their mind or not being able to secure their financing. They worry that this will create a delay in closing on their home and their move. And number 5, safety concerns. Some sellers worry about strangers accessing their homes for showings and open houses. Keep in mind that these are all valid concerns, which is why it's always best to work with an experienced and knowledgeable realtor that can talk through any concerns that you may have and put together a plan on how to best sell your home worry-free. Feel free to reach out to me so that I can guide you through this important decision. As always, this is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and I've got you covered. I hope you make it a great home selling day.